Hi, my name is Rich Hanlon. I'm your Wild Neighbors Nature Connection Nature Guide. I'm spending time in a swampy spruce fir forest area in the northern reaches of New York's Adirondack Park so I can introduce you to the relatively rare black-backed woodpecker. The black-backed woodpecker is a bird that, for the majority of the year, I would call kind of super chill, laid back even, taking its time to do things very meticulously. But now it's the springtime, and as April turns into May, they're going to be very busy because these woodpeckers have to build a home, defend a territory, and make sure that they are gathering enough food to feed themselves and the hungry youngsters that will arrive in early June. This particular woodpecker is very busy excavating a nest cavity for this year's breeding season, and if you look at the top of the head, there's a yellow crown patch that reveals to us that this is a male black-backed woodpecker. Listen closely and you can hear it removing wood with its chisel-like beak. The dark plumage on the back of the black-backed woodpecker helps it to blend in with the shaded environments where it typically forages for wood-boring beetle larvae in our Adirondack spruce fir forests. Turns out that everybody needs a break during a busy day's work. Notice the white stripe on the face of the black-backed woodpecker and how it looks remarkably similar to what a stick projecting from the tree that it is perched on would look like. This is one more way that the black-backed woodpecker's plumage helps it to blend into its environment. There's a time for rest, and there's a time to proclaim one's domain over home swamp. Thanks for joining me for this brief look into the life of the black-backed woodpecker. If you are hoping to make the most of your birding experience in New York's Adirondack Park this summer by hiring a birding guide, I invite you to visit Wild Neighbors Nature Connection's website at www.wnnc.net. Thanks for watching.